In recent interviews, Raoul Pal, the renowned macro investor and CEO of Real Vision, has been vocal about an impending financial crisis. He often refers to the current global economic situation as a ticking time bomb, waiting to go off. With volatile markets, rising debt, and increasing geopolitical tensions, it's important to explore why he believes that something big is coming and how we should prepare for it. The warning signs: global debt explosion. One of the key points Raoul Pal highlights is the unsustainable growth of global debt. Governments around the world have been borrowing heavily, especially in response to crises like the COVID-19 pandemic. Central banks have flooded markets with liquidity through quantitative easing, driving interest rates to near zero levels. However, this has led to a massive buildup of debt that could spiral out of control. Pal warns that if interest rates rise or a global shock occurs, it could trigger a catastrophic chain reaction in global financial systems. Geopolitical risks: a fragile world order. Geopolitics plays a significant role in the ticking time bomb scenario. Pal often points to the instability caused by conflicts, such as the Russia-Ukraine war, escalating tensions between China and the U.S., and economic sanctions. These risks disrupt global trade, impact energy supplies, and create inflationary pressures. The world is facing a complex web of geopolitical risks that could ignite market turmoil and bring economic instability on a global scale. The inflation conundrum. Inflation has become a hot topic in the world economy. Raoul Pal believes that central banks are in a no-win situation. On the one hand, they need to control inflation by raising interest rates, but on the other hand, increasing rates too quickly could lead to economic recessions. This delicate balancing act creates uncertainty, and Pal warns that an inflationary spiral or a deep recession could further exacerbate financial instability. The cryptocurrency hedge. As a staunch advocate of cryptocurrencies, Raoul Pal argues that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets could be a hedge against the impending financial crisis. He believes that in an era where traditional currencies are being devalued and financial systems are at risk, cryptocurrencies provide an alternative store of value and financial system. Pal encourages investors to look into this emerging asset class as part of their strategy to mitigate risks in the face of this ticking time bomb. In conclusion, Raoul Pal's warning of a ticking time bomb highlights the fragility of the current global economic system. From excessive debt and geopolitical risks to inflationary pressures and the rise of digital assets, we are standing on the edge of something big. While we cannot predict exactly when or how this crisis will unfold, being aware of these risks and preparing our financial strategies can help navigate the uncertain times ahead. At last, don't forget to subscribe our channel.